I love sambar, whether it's with rice or with dosa or with idli. With idli, we make a special idli sambar, and even in idli sambar, each restaurant make their own version. First, we're going to make a sambar masala. We're going to add cardamom, clove, cinnamon, coriander seeds, add chana dal, add methi seeds, jeera, add red chili, add some peppercorn, even urad dal you can add, and sometimes we also add some rice. So slowly dry roast these ingredients till you get a nice aroma. Once they get a little bit color, in this add dry coconut powder. Even you can add fresh coconut when you are making a paste. Add curry leaf, some ginger, garlic, some turmeric, and also add some hing. Further roast it little bit. Now to make the paste, what we do is we add some onion and also we add some tomato. Now just cook it for 1 more minute, then put in a blender, add very little water and make a nice masala paste. For today's ring idli, I am going to make drumstick sambar. You guys know it is aphrodisiac, drumsticks. Add some oil in the pan. When the oil is nice and hot, add some red chili for tempering, add mustard seeds, add cumin seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, add shallots. These are sambar onions which give very good flavor. Add chittapata curry leaves and add some more chopped onion. Also add pieces of drumstick. In this add the sambar masala paste what we grinded, and also add water and pour it in this. Mix it, add some tamarind juice, add water, put the lid on and let it come to a nice boil. Now in this, add salt, little bit of jaggery, and here is a dal, tur dal that I have cooked in a pressure cooker. Just make it a kind of little bit paste but not in a blender. So now transfer all this into this. Now look at this, the nice drumstick sambar will be ready in few minutes. Depending on the consistency, you can make it slightly thinner. In this add freshly chopped coriander and the idli sambar is nice and ready. Look at this. When the idli suck in this drumstick sambar, I'm telling you, wow, it is going to be so good. Today I had a very strange dream. You all remember the song Ringa Ringa Roses Hush all fell down? The same one with little strange scary song. It was ring o ring, it is wedding ring, full of beautiful suffering, and all men fell down. You know, when we were kids, the little girls in little frocks and the boys, we all used to fall down. But here, only men fell down and all women were laughing, ah ha ha ha. Today, we are going to make a ring idli, just to honor all the men who married. You know, when I posted the idli couple of days ago, everybody is asking how to make this soft idli. I'm going to show you very simple recipe. There are so many recipes. I've shown recipes where you use, flat rice, soya bean and all that. But this is the most simplest and you can make it perfect, and I'm going to show you the techniques here. So for 1 cup of urad dal, take 3 cups of idli rice. You can use other rice also, and in this very little of methi seeds. You need to soak this at least 4-5 hours, and then put all of this in a blender and make it into a nice fine paste. Okay, and you have to rest it. The whole secret is in fermentation. See, you know the place where you set yogurt. Sometimes the yogurt is done just in 2 hours. Sometimes it takes 10 hours. That is because the temperature what you maintain. For idlis, it is the same temperature as yogurt, 110 degrees Fahrenheit. That is when the dough will increase twice in size. When it increases in size, that is when you add salt. When you grind, don't add salt, let it ferment, and after fermenting, before making idlis the next day morning, you add little bit of salt, mix it. So I've already done that. Here is my batter, and you can use this for even for dosas, but we're going to make ring idli. Here is a plate. I put a banana leaf, put a small bowl, so that when you pour the batter, the idli will form here. Batter is fermented. I added salt. When you add salt and mix, lot of the aeration will go away. But making the sponge idlis, what we do is we take a little bit of soda, not too much, pinch of soda. In this, add water. Mix it well. To get back the aeration, you're going to add a little bit of soda and water. So this one, add to this and mix it. So already the batter is slightly sour. So that will help the soda aerate it little bit. So you can see how that aeration little bit is forming. Wow, look at this. Perfect. Once you add the soda, you have to use the batter right away. You cannot keep it further because it will be of no use. Pour the batter. You can enjoy another beautiful ring in your life. Now, take the plate, put it like this and steam it. Maybe you need to steam, for more than 10 minutes. After this is done, we're going to pour in nice aphrodisiac sambar. When you eat nice sambar idli, you want some sweet kesari. Usually in South India, we make the pineapple flavored sweet kesari, but mangoes are in season, we're going to make that. Add ghee. And for this, we're going to use some extra ghee. When the cashew nuts slightly fry, in this add suji. Slowly dry roast the suji. I still remember my first sweet I ever learnt was Rava Kesari. Those days I still used to play the Ringa Ringa Roses with the girls. Beautiful ghee and suji roasted aroma. In this, add water. And this will cook in no time. This has to cook. Only then you got to add sugar. Whether you're making pineapple or the mango, get a little bit of saffron color into this and mix it. It is leaving the pan, yet it is not sticking. Add some cardamom powder. Just add mango pieces on top. And we're going to serve it after you have this awesome ring idli sambar. On a banana leaf, just get this out and get the bowl out, and you have to see how spongy the idli is. Gunpowder, the awesome, the strong powder, pour the sambar in the center. Aha! And now, let's serve the queen. Coriander leaves. It should be kind of overflowing. And take some more gunpowder. You have to see the sponge idli. Just take it, dip it. There is no double dipping between wife and husband. You can do double dipping, triple dipping, everything. What a beautiful suffering. Wow, idli. Usually, they carry the sambar in a bucket. Okay? And pour the sambar. That's why we say, bucket sambar. When you eat the beautiful sambar like this, wow, come on, Dinra. I know, she can't even put a... Sambar should be enjoyed many ways. So, first enjoyment. Second enjoyment. Third enjoyment. Keep cooking, eat best of the best food and have a great life. Mango kesari, you start on, baby. I'm going to first eat a lot of drumsticks and all that for you. When you're done with this, then you got to say, ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding chicka ding.